Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a nice, hefty PR box unboxing, which is exciting for me, especially as a small YouTuber. I really don't get very many packages, so I was very surprised when I went to my PO box and got a big old thing of goodies. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Real quick, before we get into the actual unboxing, before I forget, I want to do my shout outs. I would like to give a shout out to Nasima for your very sweet comment. Thank you so much for always watching my stuff. And I'd like to give a shout out to Victoria Edwards. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so sweet. Keep watching. I'll keep shouting you out. I really appreciate it. So now let's get into the box. I don't even know where to start. They sent me a ton of skincare, which is exciting, especially since I'm almost out of my moisturizer. Well, you know what? I'll just start by showing you the skincare and then showing you the makeup that they sent. That sounds like a good idea. So I will just start off with what's in my hand. This is the Revolution, hold it the right way. This is the Makeup Revolution Super Strength Formula Radiance Strength Serum. So this is 12.5% vitamin C and 12 and 5% vitamins. I think I'm just reading that in another language, I don't know. Anyway, 12.5% vitamin C is going to be the main takeaway here. It says it right up at the top, you can see. And then it says it helps to improve skin radiance, encourages a smooth skin texture, and this is vegan and cruelty free. I'm down to give it a go. Ooh, it's like Christmas already. Okay. The bottle it comes in is, if it's not glass, it's very sturdy acrylic. Let's see if there are any directions on how to use this. Apply to face, morning and night for best results. So that's it. Ooh, okay, she's yellow. Has like a faint chemically smell, but it smells like any other vitamin C product I've used for the most part. So I'm just gonna rub it in on the back of my hands. I also have this 2% hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is really good to help with like pimples. I don't know if necessarily acne, but pimples, like it kind of like dries them out and gets rid of them. So this would probably be a pretty good product for you if you had a bout of pimples going on. Okay, I'm loving what they're doing with all their packaging. So I would use this pretty lightly just because it is 2% hyaluronic acid. You don't want to, you know, over dry out your face. It's got some substance to it. Okay. And watch, I'm gonna have like the nicest back of the hands tomorrow morning after all of this. This new one is the Conditioning and Fine Line Serum, which is supposed to encourage even skin tone and helps condition the skin. Onto the back of the hand we go. This one looks like it's gonna be more liquidy. Like this is more of a runnier consistency than the other two products and feels more oily for sure. Not the worst scent, just kind of smells like skincare. Not getting any rose. I typically don't really like my skincare products to have a scent anyway, so that's okay. However, if you're buying this with the impression that it's gonna smell like roses, be aware that it does not. Next product, also a super strength formula. This is 15% niacinamide. I don't know. I don't really know how to say that. This is a blemish refining and moisturizing serum. Helps reduce the look of blemishes and pores and helps improve moisture in the skin. So I bet this hyaluronic acid and this one could probably be used kind of hand in hand or in tandem. I don't know if you actually would want to mix them together, but they probably work very well when applied one after the other. And let's see, directions on this one. Apply to face morning and night for best results. By the way, if you guys are wondering about my background, these two little signs here, I made them with my Cricut. and they're available for sale on my Etsy. If you would like to check that out, that is linked down below. I'm really proud. They started off as just like a regular art canvas. I don't have one close enough to show you, but I took the canvas off of the frame, stained the frame, and then the text is vinyl, at least on this one, and I cricketed it, I hand wrote it, put it on, Mod Podged it, put the frame on, called it a day. And then the other one, I just painted the canvas green and put the cutout vinyl on the green canvas and put the frame on, and they look so cute. Like, how fun is that? Christmas decorations, DIY. But anyway, yeah, you guys check out my Etsy. Okay. Also, Christmas trees, there's a reindeer. There is the reindeer. Okay, anyway, back to our blemish refining and moisturizing serum. Okay, so we're getting the same vibes, same frosted bottle vibes. Okay, so we're back to that like thicker liquid where it's not really running, like it's going down my hand, but it's not like the other one that was like whoosh. So this is thick, kind of that same like slimier feeling product. And this one I think has the strongest scent out of everything that I've opened, but it's not bad. All right, so that's 4 products open. Now this I probably am most excited for because I'm almost out of my moisturizer, like I was saying. So this is the Cica cream, Cica cream, I don't know, CICA cream. Calming and soothing moisture cream, helps reduce appearance of skin redness. Oh, I need that. I get really red. And this says it has soothing chamomile and grapeseed oil. I really like their packaging. Sleek and simple is right up my alley. So this looks like it's gonna be green, or like a minty green color. That's fun. Okay, nothing sweet and overwhelming, which is nice. Definitely smells like a moisturizer. Ooh, it's nice and like thick. It's not running out like that. And this is like glass, like there's weight to these products. I will say, as a dry skin girl, I love thick moisturizers. I don't really like oil-based or gel-based moisturizers. I definitely like stuff like this that actually looks like, you know, like almost like lotion. That's my favorite kind of moisturizer, so I'm really excited about that one. And we'll just move on to the rest of the stuff because they did send a little bit of makeup as well. So this is a fun summer product. I probably won't try this anytime soon, I hate to say, but this is the Molten Body Glow Face and Body Liquid Illuminator. I might do a little off the shoulder moment with some, you know, some sparkly shoulders and collarbone. I might get around to that, but it is winter here, or almost winter in the Chicagoland area. Cool, a nice pump bottle. They're doing a good job with this packaging. I'm into that. Okay, so that's what we look like. See how luminous. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Nice, a nice little shimmer. You look nice and moisturized and shiny. So these are the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealers. And yes, that is what all of them say. Let's see if one of these matches me. I've heard really good products about this concealer, I think. And again, these are like glass. I have a weird table covering on right now, so that's why nothing can seem to stand up. And this is the same thing, just a smaller little tube. I'm not sure if they sell 2 sizes, but maybe this is just a sample size that they had. So the shades I got are C0.7, that was my small one. I have C2, C1, and C0.5. So let's start with our little itty bitty here. I also really like the packaging. They have like a nice R on top that is hidden under one of my fingerprints, and nice like rose gold, like a very light rose gold top. You might not be able to see it on camera, but in real life it's definitely pinky rosy. Now I can't get these open because my hands are so moisturized. Okay, I definitely like the applicator foot. Oh yeah, she is a pinky white. All right, those are the 4 shades I got. I can definitely make something work, for sure. We'll make it happen. I'm not sure. It's like the slightest, like, I want to say chemically because that doesn't sound good, but need to calm down. Another product that I got, which I'm excited to try. I've been on like a loose powder kick recently because I just bought that H&B Cosmetics one, which I love, by the way. This is their banana baking powder, Makeup Revolution's banana baking powder. So I have not used a banana powder because I obviously have that white, pink, cool skin. So typically, I feel like banana powder looks better on people with a warm skin tone, or even like an olivey one is way better than what this is gonna look like on me. So I will give her a go, but I just have a feeling that this might look a little weird on me. This is their Super Flick eyeliner. I'm excited for this actually because I need a good liquid liner, and I'm not sure if this is like a, okay, so it's a felt tip liner. We'll see about that. I don't remember hating them. And I definitely like this style of liquid eyeliner as opposed to like an actual like pen, just because I feel like pens, like they just wear out too fast. Well, this will be nice. Yeah. Okay, there's my winged eyeliner. This is the Flick. So far, so good. Oh, that didn't go as I wanted it to. There's a whole line of plastic to come down. The mascara. Ooh. I like the Confidence. So it's kind of like on brand for their rose gold tubing. It's a big old wand, but I will definitely give her a go as well. I don't really want to smear it on the back of my hand. Doesn't smell weird. I approve. I also have a lipstick, which I'm excited about. I need a red one here. Let's see, let's see. Detail. That's cute. We'll do it here. She's red. Kind of like a pinky red, I think. Not bad. Not bad. Another thing I'm excited about is they sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes. This one is the Reloaded eyeshadow palette. It's got 15 shades. Not sure if there's really names for any of the shades. Let's give, ooh, this shade. Ooh, these feel really buttery. Nice. I like that. I'm back and I'm ready for more. Last like 2 products here, guys. We're getting down to it. So this is the Makeup Revolution. First of all, can I just say I love the packaging? This is the Forever Flawless Allure palette. Ooh. Look at that. She's pretty. I like the bigger, like chunkier ones. What are those? That's really pretty. This is like a really pretty Valentine's Day palette. You guys. Okay, so I have to try, I'm gonna try this one right here, which is Fever. This one with all the different colors in it. Ooh. Ooh. Swatch it here. Okay, that's pretty. It's like a pinky brown duochrome almost. I like that. Okay, let's do another one. Sinner, which is another one of those like things that had the flecks in it. Ooh, okay. Rose gold, really, like really super pink. Pretty. Let's do Flaunt. I'm gonna do all the ones with large specks in them. Ooh, oh, that one's my favorite so far. That's so pretty. And then I'm also going to try Magnetic. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. Okay, let's try some of the mattes. This is Nymph, which is a purple shade. This one here. Not too bad, not too bad. Doesn't feel quite as buttery as the other palette, but not bad. Definitely something we can work with. Now I'm gonna try Risky. Not bad, not bad. And let's try Chemistry. This looks like a nice gold. Sorry, I'm whispering because I'm excited. Ooh, that's like the prettiest, faintest gold. That was nice. Okay, next product I have is the Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray. Okay, it almost kind of reminds me of like a weird hotel scent. This reminds me of a Memory, and I'm not sure which one. Mattify me. So anyway, guys, thanks for helping me open this stuff and ooh and ah with me. I'm so grateful that I got this package. I'm super excited to try out the skincare. I'm going to do all of it tonight. I will definitely get a video filmed. I think I really want to do a tutorial with this palette specifically, and probably I'll throw in some concealers, and I'll try to make this red lipstick work with the palette, with the eye look. Thinking up something. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, don't forget to leave a comment because, oh, my hair looks a mess. Sorry guys, it's a setting spray. Anyway, don't forget to leave a comment because I will shout you out in my next video. And also, I know I mentioned it earlier, but if you are interested in my Etsy, I'll leave it linked down below, but I'm not really going to promote it other than that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!